Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to move layers in Canva. As we've talked about before, layers are the different parts of your design. So like the text, the images, the graphics, the shapes, things like that. So you have a few different options to move your layers. The first one is to right click, hover over layer, and then scroll down to show layers. From there you can drag and drop your layers to put them in different parts of your design. Another option is to right click on the design and then hover over layer, and then you can click to send it backwards, so the picture has been sent backwards, or you can click to bring it forward. Another option is to click on an element, click on position, and then arrange. And from here, you can move elements about. So I can click to put it backwards, bring it to the front, top, or left, things like that. What I can also do is I can also drag and drop elements about using my mouse. So that's it for today. That's how to move layers about in your design. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.